Identify and match. पहचानिए और मिलाइए. Here is word caught. Now we search word caught in the second row. Not, hot, caught. Yes, this is caught. So we match both words caught. Here is word pot. Now we search word pot in the second row. Not, hot, caught, pot. Yes, this is pot. So we match both words pot. Here is word dot. Now we search word dot in the second row. Not, hot, caught, pot, dot. Yes, this is dot. So we match both words dot. Here is word hot. Now we search word hot in the second row. Not, hot. Yes, this is hot. So we match both words hot. Here is word rot. Now we search word rot in the second row. Not, hot, caught, pot, dot, rot. Yes, this is rot. So we match both words rot. Here is word not. Not is the first word in second row. So we match both words not.